Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Comic Clan? And today, it's just a mail day, but I think it's a pretty spectacular mail day. I think it's pretty amazing if you do say so myself. So check it out. I got some great shipping. It's a nice little envelope. Is it envelope or envelope? Well, check it out. Wasn't exaggerating. An envelope. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. Alright. Great packaging. See that cardboard right there? Does not protect the comics right here. You'll see what I'm talking about in just a sec. Wow. Fantastic. Strong work. Anything to save a buck. Advertised as near mint. Jeez Louise. Wow. Alright. Gonna get some good feedback from me. Oh, that right there is a little preview of Friday's video. I just put it there for so check it out. I got this stack of unbagged comics. You can see what's on the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it like this. Some of that cheap ass paper. I don't know if this is what it's supposed to be like, but definitely not near mint. I bought the Spider-Man collectible series, volume 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 through 24. These are not for resale. Totally not digging them. I mean, I didn't pay an arm and a leg, but geez. We got number 1, number 2. Oh, I get it. There's number 2. Oh, snap, crackle. Ooh. Don't worry, they weren't in near mint condition anyway. Alright. Epic fail. Epic. You know what? Let's get crazy and let me just show you what I got. Ooh. Alright, we got... I don't even know where to start. Volume 2. Volume 3. Did I waste money? Please let me know in the comment section below. Volume 4. Definitely not what I thought they would be. I mean, you still get to read the comic, but I mean, wow. Volume 5. Volume 6. Not near mint. Volume 7. I just want to show you what this is all about. Volume 8. Volume 9. Wacky Wednesday, that's what I'm going to title this. Ooh, this one's... It was like bubblegum. Volume 5. Oh, I'm sorry, 10. Look at this. Volume 11. 12. 13, 14, 15. Some of these are feeling a little light, if you know what I mean. And if I wanted this, I would have just got a hard copy. Collectible. 17. Stuck with gum. Yeah, it's gum. 17. 18. 19. 20. Electro yellow. 21. 22. Sorry, doing it from an angle. 23. And 24. So, when was this put out? 2007. Yeah, it's cool and all, but it's not what I was expecting. I guess I should have did my research. I thought they'd be like reprints of the first 24 issues, because you know it said issues 1 through 24 of Amazing Spider-Man, but clearly it's only 1 through 11 plus Amazing Fantasy. But yeah, that's all I got. Just wanted to show you what I got. So hope you're all having a great weekend or week. And sorry, dogs are barking out there. It's distracting me. But yeah, that's all I got. So I will see you with a fantastic haul on Friday. This is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.